Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. When you are first buying a cartridge or several cartridges of Single8 film and you want to make sure that it's silent rather than sound, okay, the sellers generally don't know, and they may have in the photo that the cartridge is stacked like this or like this, okay, and you may not be able to see back here that it would read sound or silent, okay, especially if it's out of the box, if the film is out of the box. Okay, if the film is in the box, then it's going to read a stripe across it, sound or silent, okay, it will read sound. One thing you can do is have the seller pick up the package. This one's sealed, alright, and tell them to take their thumb and finger and press here at the bottom and here at the top ever so lightly. And if this is solid here and this is solid up top and bottom, then this is a silent cartridge. Okay? That's what you can do. Because remember, these sellers don't know anything. Generally. All they know is they're selling the product. Okay? But tell them if they pinch at the bottom and pinch at the top, and there is a hole at the bottom and top, well, if there is a hole at the bottom rather, then it's sound film. And you're probably not going to need that. Alright? You need the one that's solid and bottom at the, and the solid at the top, and that's going to be the silent film. Okay. If in doubt, of course the cartridge on the sound will be longer. If in doubt, okay, you can request they open the package. Now, may very well may not want to do that because they will believe if they open up this foil, the cartridge from the foil, that it's going to expose it, but it will not. So sellers, let me show you. You can open this. It will not expose the film. I'm going to open this up here. So when you open up a new cartridge, so when this stuff is being manufactured, I have this new tab right here. This is a protector. Okay? And I actually do have, on this one, a bit of fungus that started. So I got to clean that off. Alright? So as you can see, here at the bottom, and here at the top, everything's okay. Here at the bottom, there's no hole. There would never be anything up at the top. There's no hole here down at the bottom, so this is a silent cartridge. Okay? So you're all good to go. The only thing that's going to be exposed is this strip right here. And nobody cares about that because that's got to run through the camera anyway. You have to open the film cartridge from this foil here in order to put it into the camera. And at the end of processing, you're going to add a leader onto the end of this film. Okay? So this is barely even a second. It's not going to make a bit of a difference. Okay? This film that you're going to use is inside the cartridge, and that is what makes the difference. What is in here is not exposed. Do not concern yourself, sellers, with this. Okay? So, what you want to do to show you, for sellers, this is a silent Single8 camera. And the film drops in right there. If it were sound, the camera would be much longer at the bottom, down here, and of course the cartridge would have a hole in it down here. The film would be visible to record sound. Alright? But here, that's not the case. Alright? So remember, sellers and buyers, only this strip that you see right here is the only part that's exposed. You have to open it from the foil to put it into the camera to begin with. Alright? The film that's in here is sealed and you have nothing to worry about. Okay? If you remove the film from the foil, nothing's exposed. Only the small strip, and no one cares about that, is even less than a second, and you have to add a liter after processing to load it into any type of projector or anything like that. Okay? Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!